Hi guys. So it's come to our attention that videoing on your Chromebook can be challenging, and the final task regarding your build asks for you to do some documenting of your process with video. So you can do it to the best of your ability using your Chromebook. You could also record video on your phone, and in the assignment I'm going to talk about, you can get the app on your phone for Google Classroom if you don't have it already, and I think you can upload your video and post it that way. And this is one more way if you're a little bit bored with Google Classroom, or you're a little bit bored with Google Slides or anything like that, you could try making a Prezi. And so I made a Prezi of how to use Prezi, and I'm also making this Prezi video so that you can watch it too and give it a try if you want to. Mix it up. You still have to post a link to it or post it to Google Classroom, but it should be kind of fun to use. So I'm going to give this a try and walk through my Prezi in this video that shows you how to do it. So the first step is to go to prezi.com, and here you're going to create an account. And to create an account, you are going to click on the link towards the top right that is green, and it says Get Started. And on this slide here, I have it circled in a red oval for you, so you can see it. But when you get to this screen, you're going to select Get Started. One of the things about videos is, if I'm going too fast talking to you and you're having trouble keeping up and going through the steps, you can always pause the video and restart the video so that you can follow me step by step through the process. And that's the awesome thing about a video versus in person. It's hard to pause me. So just something to think about. After you hit the Get Started button, you will be at this screen, and there are several options at this screen, and I want you to select Students and Educators, and that has, on my slide here, it has a red oval around it. So when you get to that screen, you're going to select Students and Educators. Okay? The next screen is going to have a selection on what kind of account you're setting up. Excuse me. And we're going to set up a basic account because it's the free account. And for now, we're going to use that and see how it goes. Okay? The next screen you're going to get to is the sign up screen after you select the basic account. And here on this screen, you're going to have the option to pick sign up with Google. So the button for that is circled in the red oval again on this slide and on the Prezi. And when you get here, select that button, and then you're going to use your culverbulldogs.net email to sign up. So the next screen is going to look something like this, and your email will be where mine is in the red oval. So once you go ahead and get your account set up and logged in using Google, you will reach this screen. It says select one of these options, and one of the options says student. So you're going to choose student because that's what you are, okay? And I believe I selected a teacher. But anyway, this is going to help us with the parameters of our account. The next screen is really going to be an option to choose to create a presentation or choose to create a video or something like that. And I chose on my screen, because I made a Prezi presentation, I chose to create a presentation, and that's what this video is about creating the presentation itself, which is where I made all of these slides. So the next screen after you choose to make a presentation asks you, do you want to use a template or do you want to start from scratch? And those of you who use Google Slides know there are templates available in Google Slides, and this is similar to that. So the interface will feel similar to you and how you use Google Slides. So I believe I selected from a template. And then actually on this round, when I made these screenshots and the slides, I selected create from scratch. And so when I did that, it gave me this screen. You would get a similar screen if you selected from a template, and it asked me to pick a title for my presentation, and it asked me who I want to share it with. And you're going to have to say anyone, because the basic the basic account doesn't have any way to select anything else. So you're going to select anyone. And then you reach the Start Building page, and it's very similar to Google Slides in how you build your presentation. And you can also import a presentation that you've already made in Google Slides. And the way you do this is you actually have to save it as or export it as a PowerPoint file, download it to your Chromebook, and then you would upload it to Prezi as an import a PowerPoint presentation. And so you can do that too. And actually, that's how I did this. That's how I created these slides, is I made the presentation in PowerPoint, and then I imported it into Prezi, and then I did a little bit of formatting about what I wanted it to look like. And so, yeah, hopefully that's going to be pretty cool for you guys to do. So hang on, I'm going to try to show you the Prezi.